Hello students, welcome back to Ekcel Academy's YouTube channel. As informed in the previous video, this is a series where we are trying to answer the current affairs questions which have been featured in the previous month's e-bulletin released by ICSI. So these questions that we are going to discuss in this video is taken from July month's e-bulletin released by ICSI. There is a good chance of these questions being asked in the exam as well. So let's start with the first question. Who among the following has recently attended Russia's Victory Day parade, which commemorated the 75th anniversary of victory of Soviet people in the Second World War? It's a logical question. We just have to think who could attend this, and it should definitely be the defense minister because it is something related to defense and war and military and other things. So the defense minister of India is Mr. Rajnath Singh. So the answer would be Rajnath Singh, option D. How many Chinese apps were banned by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act 2000? This was there in all the possible media places, and the answer for this is 59. This is a memory based question which all of us have to remember. Where does India's first plasma bank was inaugurated for COVID-19 treatment? Answer for this is New Delhi, option C. Michael Martin has been elected as the Prime Minister of which of the following country in June 2020? The answer for this is Ireland. Recently, Anandiben Patel assumed additional charge as caretaker governor of Madhya Pradesh. Presently, she is the governor of which of the following states? The answer for this is Uttar Pradesh. Anandiben Patel was also the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Question number 6. Which country hosted or chaired the 36th ASEAN Summit on the theme Cohesive and Responsive ASEAN? Answer for this is Vietnam. 7th question. The space agency from which country set to take its first tourist on spacewalk in 2023? And the answer for this would be Russia. 8th question. Recently, Government of India virtually launched world's first yoga university, Vivekananda Yoga University, in which of the following states or country? The answer for this is Los Angeles, United States of America. 9th question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of National Institute of Public Finance and Policy for 4 years with effect from June 22nd, 2020? Answer for this is the former RBI Governor, Mr. Urjit Patel. Last question in this series is which Indian has been elected as member of ITF World Tennis Tour Men's Panel representing the Asia-Oceania zone? And the answer for this is Nikki Kalyanda Punacha. So these were the 10 questions which featured in the July month's e-bulletin released by ICSI. We hope that these questions and answers would come in handy for you when you take up the final exam related to current affairs in ICSI. If you still have any questions, doubts, you can always leave it in the comment section and we shall get back to you with right answers. Thank you very much.